Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the final main card of the evening. First, making his way to the ring, please welcome Lolbit, the Venomous Fox. And now, introduce his opponent. Please welcome the Demon, Twisted Wolf. Let's go.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
We blew his face off. All this kid got us having a big off. I stand and feel like I'm playing the playoffs. Hard work on God is gonna pay off my shopping city, nigga. That's why I drink off. These niggas be pussy, they flake off. My future bright like I'm taking my shades off.
On the pot we rapping stew. Get it back and we stacking them boots. In the roof we sliding the coupe. Down to catch a little body or two. Down to catch a little body or four. Cause the shooters they stay by the door. Extra max many up and reload. 10 bands and he slide on the low.
He said that he making it 10 to go skirt up top stretch and hop in the Benz.
Chicago so loud so fast when I'm hitting the gas I get
Go.
lost in the wind.
She shout, she act like a kid, so fuck the bullshit, I'ma hop on a friend.
This is the last you gon' hear it, so cut the beat up, man. You already understand.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's fight time. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. He is a 10-0 professional boxer. He has 10 wins, no losses. 5 of those wins comes by way of knockout. Please welcome Lolbit, the Venomous Fox. Let's go. And now, introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He is a 7-0 professional boxer. 6 of his wins come by way of knockout. Please welcome the Demon, Twisted Wolf. Let's go. The referee for this fight is Richie. Thank you for having me here, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor. All right, gentlemen, come to the center. All right, I want a good clean fight here. Low bar right here, low bar right here. Protect yourself at all times. Obey my commands. Fight hard, fight clean, touch gloves. All right. Respect. Respect, man. Respect. Here we go for this 10-round cruiserweight fight. Left corner right, yes. Right corner right, yes. Seconds out. Round 1. Good hits by Lolbit here. Oh, good hits by Lolbit. Lolbit is looking good here in this very first round. Good hits by Twisted Wolf. Good hits by Lolbit. Ooh, good uppercut by Twisted Wolf. Lolbit has a busted lip here. Good first round with Lolbit here. Lolbit looks very decent here. He looks very focused. I mean, he did came off a draw against Killer Croc here. So, we might get something different. Or Lolbit has a full-on game plan here tonight. Ooh, good hits by Twisted Wolf here. They clinch. That's. Alright. Box. Good uppercut by Twisted Wolf. Time. Good round. These fighters are respecting each other after that first round here. Alright, seconds out, round 2. To be honest, who do you give that first round to? I give that first round a Lolbit. Lolbit was looking good. He's looking good in the second round as well. He's keeping his pace and still being calm. With Twisted Wolf here, I think he's just staying focused. But I think he's mostly working on his defense instead of his offense. To be honest, what do you think of Dylan Dennis calling out Twisted Wolf? I think it's crazy. He wants to fight bigger names, so I guess Twisted Wolf is a big name for him here. I mean, Dylan Dennis is coming off a win against Mike Perry here, so in that fight, he looked very good comparing to his last fight with Logan Paul in 2023. It looks like Dylan Dennis has improved 100%. They clinch. Yes, that's box. It looks like Lolbit is getting the best of Twisted Wolf here at this point. I mean, this is round 2. Twisted Wolf can make a comeback. Who knows? Ooh, good jab by Twisted Wolf. Good 1-2 by Swiss Wolf there. Swiss Wolf goes for a clinch again. Guys, alright, stop clinching there. You're doing too much clinching. Start fighting. Okay. Box. I don't think Swiss Wolf looks very focused here. I got 10 seconds. Time. Hey, not bad. Do better though. Alright. I like how these two fighters are respecting each other. Not a bad round. Seconds out. Round 3. Alright. I feel like it's 2-0 right now between Lolbit and Twisted Wolf. Lolbit is currently winning right now in my books. Yeah, but that was the second. That was only the 2 rounds. Twisted Wolf can easily make a comeback here. Oh! Twisted Wolf just knocked down Lolbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You good? Yes. What's your name? Lolbit. Walk over there and walk back to me. Box. I guess that shot woken them up there. Twisted Wolf is here to fight now, ladies and gentlemen. He has Lolbit up to the ropes. Lolbit gets out of there. To be honest, Twisted Wolf and Lolbit looks really good here. Right now, it's currently 2-1. 1-2. Yeah. This is a good round for Twisted Wolf right now. It is by Lolbit here. Lolbit is still continuing on the fight. Ten seconds left. Time. Good round. Good round. Wow. It's currently 2-1 for Twisted Wolf scored 1 and Lolbit won the first 2 rounds. But we'll see what happens in these next few rounds. Seconds out. Round 4. To be honest, these past few fights have been none but KOs. First, it was Dylan Dennis knocking out Mike Perry, pulling the upset of the fight of the night. And then Bowser Jr. knocks out Lefty in the second round. After this fight, it will be the co-main event. Who do you have for that co-main event? I think I got Shoto Todoroki. Shoto is a very decent and quiet person. Will he win the championship? I don't know. We'll see. He also been eyeing on the Twisted Wolf fight, but Dylan Dennis kind of wants that Twisted Wolf fight as well. Will they fight for that fight? Who knows? Oh, good hit by Lolbit. Twisted Wolf looks wobbled here, and he clinched. That's up. Alright. Box. Whoa. Twisted Wolf looks hurt. Oh! Twisted Wolf goes down in his first fight. And this is the first time that we ever seen Twisted Wolf got knocked down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good? Yes. What's your name? Twisted Wolf. Walk over there and walk back to me. Box. Wow. We're definitely going to fight here, ladies and gentlemen. So this wolf looks like he has a bad cut on the top of his eye. That might cause some severe not seeing a lot because the blood's gonna drip down through his eye. Oh, good hit by Twisted Wolf. Good uppercut. A left hook. Good combinations by Twisted Wolf. I got 10 seconds here. Wow, that was a crazy fourth round there. Seconds out. Round 5. Oh, Twisted Wolf goes down again. 1, 2, 3. Can you get up? 5, 6. You good? Yes. What's your name? Twisted Wolf. Oh, no, back to me. Wait, hold up. Stop the timer real quick. Hey, if that eye gets messed up more, I'm gonna stop the fight. Don't stop it. If that eye gets messed up more, I'm gonna have to stop the fight. Cause you're bleeding through your eye. Good. Alright. Start the timer again. Wow. Twisted Wolf keeps on getting hurt in that eye. They're gonna have to stop it. But Lolbit is looking good right now. He's staying focused. But Twisted Wolf has to cover that eye here. He's doing a lot of defense. Which is a good thing. Because you know what this fight, he doesn't want this fight to stop. Good uppercut by Twisted Wolf. He clinches. Alright. Locks. This one looks ready to go. He it looks like he's getting tired here. He's clenching again. That's. Right. Box. Lolbit still looks fully charged. So the Wolf is looking very tired here. I don't know if he can take another round. He clenches again. Stop. All right. Box. He's just throwing jabs here. A little bit is just eating them. Wow, this might be the toughest fight for Twister Wolf right now. I thought Rockstar Foxy was tough, but no, this is even a tougher matchup. They got 10 seconds left. Time. Twister Wolf looks very tired. Can he go on in the few more rounds? Seconds out. Round 6. So this wolf looks tired. He's clenching. Alright. Box. He's breathing very hard here. He's not even throwing good punches. He knocks down Lolbit again. 1, 2, 3, and Lolbit gets back up. Can Twister Wolf get the win, or will Lolbit pull the upset here tonight? What's your name, Lolbit? Welcome back to me. Box. Come on, man. At least swing something, man. Too quick. Too quick. So, too quick. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You good? Yes. What's your name? What's the wolf? Walk over there, walk back to me. Hey, if you're not throwing any punches, I'm ending this fight. Alright. Box. One, 2, 3, 4. You good? Yes. What's your name? Lolbit. Walk over there and walk back to me. Box. Oh my gosh. Lolbit is still keep on getting up from these hits. How is he taking them? He has an iron chin, I guess. Hits by Twister Wolf here. Ooh, Lolbit is bleeding again from his lip. Twister Wolf smells blood here. Twister Wolf looks locked in now, but still looks tired. 6th round. Ready? Ready? Take us out. Round 7. Oh! Lolbit goes down. Can he get up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You good? Yeah. What's your name? Lolbit. Welcome down, welcome back to me. Box. Wow, how is Lolbit still standing up from these shots? I don't think it's affecting him. Oh, goodbye, shot by school. Oh! Lolbit just got picking up and then getting knocked back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's over. Twisted Wolf is your still undefeated fighter here. Let's go. Dylan Dennis, I'm coming for you. Bro, you barely beat Lolbit. Don't be coming here talking to me. Oh, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna knock you out. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, man, respect. Yeah, good fight. After your referee waves his fight off, at 1 minute and 51 seconds here in the 7th round, declare your winner by knockout and still undefeated, the Demon Twisted Wolf. Let's go. Hey, man, respect, bro. The hell you out on the ring here, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, you gave me a tough fight. I respect that. Don't quit. Don't do none of that. Hey, you still got a rematch. You still got a rematch with Killer Croc. And maybe me and you can have a rematch in the future. Yeah, 100%, man. Shake on it. They shake it out. We'll probably might get a rematch here, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him. Let's go. I'm here with your winner, Twisted Wolf. Twisted Wolf, how do you feel? I feel great. I respect Lolbit. Lolbit's a good fighter, but there's someone else that I need to get on my list. That's Shotu Todoroki and Dylan Dennis. Dylan Dennis, bring your ass up here, boy. You really want to fight me? Bro, you called me out. You called me a juice head, and no one never even came to New York. What is you on about? Bro, you're a fake fighter. You're a juice head, bro. Oh, yeah, let's go. Ooh, chill. Come on. Ooh, chill. Come on, then. You ain't gonna do nothing. Bro, just wait and see. I'll knock you out. I don't even gotta say too much. I'm out of here. I'm on to watch the co-main event. Hey, Shoto Todoroki, if you lose this fight is off on the Dylan Dennis. Hope you win tonight. Well, that is it, ladies and gentlemen, for the main card. Now on to the co-main event. See you in a bit, guys.